Fantastic morning. I was here. I'm not sure you're some cost of a good evening. Some of the breed. Yes, a fantastic dinner. I'm not so say your dear bro, G-Fast Misha, and I can't wait in somewhere by G-Fast or say Papa, and I think so. No, oneexpert.com and Ra. When we send a Madrid game, the goals, babam. Na United game, no goals, babam. Na, I am in a game, no goals, babam. Tina goes to up far goes. What is Kegu Botomi and the say oneexpert.com and Adom Wajim, Sedimo gel and roll on pin, never quite Sedimo gel. And roll on now, Yenshen 7 Sinkakra, and far in fee the EPL, now finished on FA Cup results are a course, so EPL in Arsenal, Johnny and I saw a ball Crystal Palace by 4-1, and a Chelsea near Everton game no a year 2-2. Game back one obi ehwere mu Spain and La Liga 4 any multimedia campo mu ama yakwo so ye ho power polo ground se won kan ha na nya sam keto akranra obi oba e bia da wase pa pa sabribia eto sa from bekan homa ye hwebom ni ade a na akopie mu Italian derby de Italia Juventus Inter Milan ekaba kwa want to be ante and akopie mu Napoli game no so Torino kanan a Torino want to be ante na woko Germany so na Leverkusen echi Bayern Munich ya ne ho adwuma neat pa no monam na dia da hokre na okopie mu and so France PSG so this was for PSG eluzu ono so a game on genia lusu na bebre na elusu and so more games ahodo am the epim so no Italy there Napoli ajaden dada shane so ma me there and or be to be men okra na there atimpatcho oneexpert.com na sa match say kan wasem nyina no betimi abete o so no diska e dey go bottom okopie mu once and from my emra fie me the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana Thursday omojina mo so against Angola with the Kumasi Papa Nyara Sports Stadium and then ahead of the game no patron na 24 chess on we create na chere if he so take over from Otuado yen sheda nyini nchira papa na ni na mu internet ne announcement na mu ye online now ye yina chere Kumasi mo etisha no so sa family ne na o me chere mu na contract na 170 skabi e won bia no na create Kumasi 10 year and ye no actually yede de bepium bia no so wonsam Badwam won sene ACT now yenkopium with the Ghanaian Premier League match day 22 and summer text etna fima Kumasi sane kodoko be boneka mienu team back o so na House of Folk tena Accra Sports Stadium ejana nine so winning 1-0 back to Croatia I don't know other matches abaso yemongram kakra.
Here's a Sebonsu. Good dribble pass Afo. Confident play from the left back, Kilan Lamte. He sends one low. Here's Morrison for Kotoko. Morrison! And that's the opening goal for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In a Morrison puts the goalkeepers ahead in the Timber City. Went down by Rocky Jana. His awareness to pick out Lamte. Well, Lamte went low. Sabutela failed to control, but Morrison was precise.
Yeah, he knows he has that power in that left foot.
He steps up in Summer Boy. Yes, Kayake! Asari doesn't make a first time save, but hey, he's able to save Asante Kotoko. Here's Lante, could have gone for the first time. He hangs on. Lante, his effort takes a deflection. Here's him straight there. Rocky Jobna, and Asante Kotoko's second goal. Here, in Summer Boy, a debut goal in his debut start for Asante Kotoko.
Examates couldn't deal with the ball the first time, and Lante has shown his prowess. Plus that the ball took a ricochet, but in February 2010 and the ball fell for Jamina. What a hit.
Together with the men in front of him, the likes of Abanga, the likes of Richard Mensah. Free kick is on. And it's on in. That man has been probing with every set piece that Accra Hearts of Oak have taken today. And he did not put his teammates to shame. He may get the marching orders, yes. Palaba Mankwa goes off, and he goes off in style. The last one, the final kick of the match. Eric Esso will say thank you. Richmond Ayi.
Right, and on the course, so 2 games anymore, but and some kakra games. Then David Okui, assistant coach at the House of Folk after the game. Name some of the 2 journey.
I feel elated, yeah. I'm so excited.
You must be worried by the performance when the goal was not coming.
Yes. I told you it's going to be a difficult game. because they are down, so they will come with a multiple effort, and that is what they did. But kudos to John. He has done a yeoman's job. Yeah, the boys played very well. But don't forget, we are the never say die lads. I feel
right.
A late
Coach at the Hearts of Folk, no, or say we are the never say that boys. The employer, it's me now on your boss. I should run away with any idea. Now, Hearts of Folk at the end of Matema Kumasa and a Koroko, assistant coach Henry Wellington, and also after almost 3 points for Samana Boy in some year.
I'm sure it will be a turning point if they see play according to instructions and they be tactically disciplined. It will be a turning point for the team.
Can you tell us what really worked for you today?
They deserve it because we have at least enough time to prepare the team. And from what I saw from the training ground, gave me the confidence that we are going to come out either.
Right, Coach Henry Wellington, and some more the children and other results about so our tune. Never Chelsea game, no. What say yes, name more than pie and medium about Great Olympics come you know, only and to me auntie and Bechem about Carola 3-1 Swatterman. You are stop your Carlions come up, boy, Carlions are coming, sir. Carlions form an audience, yet my bonnet items and any audience, and I can find out any gold stars na airborne. Now Legon City's near Adriana Stars, they are so ahead of Adriana game on Legon City's airborne on air league leaders for 39 points. Accra Lions ekukuluzuye otosumi no 37 we bon pass na aduana na be si form for aduana to be winning awotwum akonanim be chemi na tetosumi nsa 36 out of folk etoso enan e 35 asane koroko toso enum e 34 points a game to play we need the ekoso in the Ghanaian Premier League e won some enso e bro na anopai e Gifas make sure we see akonkona e dey some na dey bro Gifas or se papa sanso na Sedimo Jalen roll on e yipin biade afio e no edanchan oneexpert.com abribi omo sponsors I'm okay, I'm hearing some idea, Brewer, Sergio Manucho. Benapadi with your one producers, Kejwana Kasani, Eric Asiedu Body, because we're here.